Hello everyone, and today we are reviewing the ainacare Premium Shoe Care Kit for leather shoes. This professional set includes a horsehair brush, a dauber brush, and a soft microfiber cloth for cleaning. The transparent cream uses natural waxes and oils to restore the color of your favorite faded footwear. Our non-hazardous formula is safe for your health and completely free from any toxic chemicals or additives. It leaves an invisible finish without streaks, making it perfect for neutral-colored leather, suede, or nubuck. This kit makes a thoughtful gift for graduations, birthdays, job promotions, or any special holiday celebration. Keep your shoes looking sharp and ready for any occasion with this premium all-in-one solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.